Fidel Vizcaya, to put it bluntly, sabi niya, is protecting probably si SPG.
Senator Bongo.
Yeah.
Well,
What do you think about it?
Well, paulit-ulit sinasabi ng Pangulo na kahit sino yan, at kahit previous administration niya, wala siyang sisinuhin, wala siyang sasantuin. Lahat kailangan managot dito. At in fact, nag-usap na kami ni Ombudsman Remulla kagabi about this. And ngayon, we are already working to look at the documents from the previous administration. No? Yun din naman ang mandate natin. No? From 2016 to 2025. No? Yun din ang mandate ng ICI. So, wala tayong sisinuhin dito.
Can we say specifically you're looking at the documents that involve SPG, yung sa tatay niya na constructor?
We are looking at connections between the Discayas and CLTG Corporation. Yun ang usapan namin ni Ombudsman kagabi. At after namin, nung nalaman siguro niya, because he was in Baguio, nung nalaman niya na yun nga, nagsabi dito ang mga Diskaya na hindi na sila magko-cooperate, tinawagan niya ako. No, at nag-usap kami at meron na kaming plano at meron na kaming mga gagawin sa mga susunod na araw to look at those, specifically at those contracts of the Diskayas during the previous administration.
Sir, sagutin ko.
Okay?